Hi, I'm Jeff Wagner, Product Manager for the Avalanche Division at Keystone RV. Today, we're going to take a sneak peek at the all-new Avalanche 382 front living. As you can see, we have this massive storage compartment on the rear of the coach. And as you segue around to the door side, we have this side saddle storage and dual pass-through storage. We duplicate this side storage on the other side of the unit, and we have a lot of storage on the front part of the coach. Now let's head inside and check out this all-new, awesome living space. Welcome inside the all-new Avalanche 382 front living. This beautiful front lounge model is Avalanche's first windshield model, and as you can see, the TV recesses directly below it. This model features dual opposing hide-a-bed sofas and this awesome theater seat that reclines, has heat and massage capacities as well. Since this is the 382 front lounge, it features our 18 cubic foot Norcold refrigerator, and it has all of the beautiful appliances that come in every Avalanche. This model features this awesome pantry decorated with these beautiful barn doors and features this massive storage space. This is perfect for all of your full-time needs. As you can see, as we move up into the master suite, this bathroom and this bedroom setup is to die for. You have a king bed that is standard in every single 382, and then you have this beautiful giant bathroom on the rear of the unit. This has a double vanity, a 30 by 48 shower, and it even features this stackable washer and dryer closet. This model is sure to meet your full-time camping needs. For more information, log on to our website or contact your local dealer.
Thanks for watching Keystone RV on YouTube. Like and share this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for the latest product updates and valuable service advice from the experts here at Keystone RV, keeping you camping through the long haul.